What is going on, guys? If you guys did not know, today is actually my buddy Soda's birthday. Now, you guys will be seeing this a little bit in the future, but of course, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know who Soda is. He's the guy with the black IS300. If not, make sure to go watch some of those videos because we got some super fun stuff going on with those cars. Now, I always make fun of him for the toolkit that he has at home because it's just like random sockets, random wrenches, like none of it makes sense, none of it is organized, he never has what he needs. So I think today we're gonna go get him a little bit of a birthday gift. He's been one of my closest friends for like 7 years now, ever since we first met at our first job at a Toyota dealership. So I thought it'd be cool to get him something for his birthday. With that being said, I gotta go to work right now. I'll see you guys on my lunch. We'll go to Harbor Freight and we'll get some tools. All right, guys, I'm officially on lunch. Let's go to Harbor Freight. Let's get some tools. Also, I need to fucking eat. I've got nothing but Thin Mints for lunch right now. So I should probably get some like real food. We'll see what we decide on. God, this thing is so fun. So I'm really gonna kind of focus on most of the basic stuff that you're gonna need to work on cars and JDM cars in specific. Not really gonna get into any specialized tools like that because with a lot of different manufacturers, you are gonna need special tools for special jobs and all that kind of stuff. Not gonna get into that because at this point Soda is really working with like a very basic toolkit. So I want to get him something that'll actually like work, something that'll actually be, you know, worth the shit. You won't have to like look around for every single thing that you need and have to use something that isn't right. He's gonna have everything he needs to work on his IS300 specifically, and pretty much most of the other JDM stuff that he works on. So it'll be a good little kit. I'll probably buy him a real hammer too, because if you guys saw the video of us putting the axle in the Subaru, he doesn't have a real hammer. He's got a little baby like this size hammer and it doesn't fucking work.
Why are Thin Mints so fucking good? Damn, tunnel? I should probably roll my window down.
So good. God, that sounds so good. Such a fucking nice day out too. We never get this kind of sun. And with the past few days, it's actually been like nice. Yeah, those little pops. Every once in a while I get a little pop and bang from my fucking exhaust. Oh, it sounds so good. Like, I want to be one of those kids that just gets that shitty burble tune that everybody fucking makes fun of. But it sounds so cool. Like, stock Supras, like the Mark 5s, you fucking put those things in a sport mode and literally like you'll start in like every time you downshift, every time you fucking let off the gas, it's just fucking popping and crackling. I love that shit. I want that shit so bad. And honestly, like, a lot of people hate on it, but you know, I get it, it's obnoxious, you know, but like, what about me is not obnoxious, you know? I feel like that's just my personality. I'm just a fucking obnoxious person, so I gotta fucking embrace it, you know? I gotta have a car that conveys that, you know? And at this point, it doesn't really say that, all right? It is official, boys. We've just arrived at motherfucking Harbor Freight. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna come out with a shit ton of tools for very fucking cheap, and it's gonna be sweet. All right, guys, we got so much shit. We got so much fucking shit. He's never gonna have to borrow a tool ever again. All right, guys, so I got everything completely ready, packed up, and loaded into the car. We're gonna go head off to Soda's house, give him his birthday gift, see how he likes it. Always gotta get that Instagram story. What up, boy?
You know, it's another day. You work at Ferrari?
You know it.
Damn, son.
That's
ready
a
to get
scud
some
now.
bangers, dude?
Fuck yeah.
Straight fucking bangers, bruh.
Before we do, you got some tools?
What kind of tools?
I need like a deep 17.
Damn, that's a fat one, bro. Deep 17. Alright, so I have a Deep 17 in my shitty ass homeless man kit. Right here.
Jesus, soda.
Is that deep enough?
This is like the most unorganized toolbox I've ever seen in my life.
Hey dude, it's not a toolbox.
You barely have anything in there.
This thing barely even moves. Yo, eventually I'll drop like $2,000 on a fucking toolbox. But you guys gotta get me there. What is this for? No.
I don't actually need anything. I was just wanting to see how bad your toolkit was.
Fuck off.
Because that's all yours now.
What? Dude, you're fucking kidding.
Happy birthday, bro.
Dude, no fucking way, bro. You're joking.
I was making fun of your hammer, so I got you some real hammers.
Bro.
I got you some fucking sockets. Pretty much everything you'd ever fucking need.
Dude.
Fucking your bunch of pliers.
Kidding, dog.
I was making fun of your punches and chisels and shit.
You know what's funny? I was thinking about it earlier today, and I was like, I don't feel motivated to work on my shit because it was so unorganized.
Yeah.
Dude.
And now you got this shit, which will keep all of your shit organized. These are just twist and lift. There's even like extra room for like more sockets if you end up getting more.
I didn't even know where to start. Holy shit. No excuses now.
This is like 90%, probably 90% of the shit that you'd be using on a day-to-day basis.
Shit. Dude, this is legit the best gift I ever got. Like, I was hoping Corey would give me this, but she didn't.
I guess I'm a little bit of a better girlfriend then.
Dude, honestly though, I'd take you over her. Holy shit, dude.
Yeah, let's fucking unload it, dude.
Holy fuck, bro. Damn, bro, thanks. I can't thank you enough, man.
Nah, man.
Holy shit, bro.
We've been boys for so long, man. You deserve this
Honestly, dude, that was crazy how we met. I don't know if you guys knew the story. It was like no homo, meant to be. In a way.
Of course.
We were the youngest kids in that dealership, bro.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Yeah.
It was just us.
Yeah, we were like the
was
two little guys. Everybody kind of hated us because we were just like young and annoying.
Like, I didn't even want to be there until like when you got there. I was like, at least there's somebody else who could fucking. We left at the same fucking time.
Yeah.
Same day.
Yeah.
It was legit the same day.
Yeah.
I remember that shit.
That's like the same kit I have at the dealership.
Fuck, dude.
Except for like just not snap-on stuff.
Dude, that actually helps a lot. Holy shit.
Yeah, man, I know how much you've been struggling with. Literally every time I come over here, he's like struggling with like just basic ass, shitty ass tools. He's like, I don't know. Like, look, this is the hammer I was making fun of. Look at this fucking thing. Look at this fucking thing. That's
I was
literally
running around for hours, bro. Like, half the time was me looking for shit. Like, if you guys fucking work on your shit, you know how it is. You're like struggling. That's the hardest thing about starting out is not having the tools.
Yeah.
Because you don't have the tools to do the shit you need to do, it's not as enjoyable.
No.
And that's literally the reason why I kept parting away from shit. It's because I didn't have a place and I didn't have tools.
Yeah.
That's why like sometimes when you don't work on your shit, it's because you don't have tools.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
And I borrow what?
that's like the best. It's fucking true.
No, like legit, like you don't have to spend that much money. Like none of this stuff was like extremely expensive, but it's all just pieces of metal that like really aren't ever gonna break. So it's like,
Legit.
plus all of it's lifetime warranty. So if you break it, you just go to Harbor Freight and get a new one. That's
I don't
you.
know where I got this.
That's the man that she tells you not to worry about.
Dude, that's a pretty big difference. This is heavier, but it's still shorter.
Yeah, but it's all about the swing
It's the
on the
swing,
bitch.
though,
It's
yeah.
a swing.
Bro, that shit's hilarious though. Cause that video I still have.
That was the worst. He
This is the
had
one
me
that
come
went
over
in
and
your
help to take a fucking axle out, and it was legit the worst thing I've ever done in my life with that little fucking hammer and like just the wrong punches, dude.
Dude.
That was legit the worst shit I've ever done.
I don't know why I bought those punches.
You know, this
It
is
was like
honestly more of a birthday gift for me, so that if you call me over here, I never have to go through that ever fucking again.
Dude, honestly though, it's kind of embarrassing because when Tony was here, he's like, "You got anything?" I was like, dude, I was hoping you brought shit so I can use it.
But for now, we're gonna go on a little shoot with the IS300's and see what kind of cool ass pictures we can get. So I'll see you guys once we get out there. God damn, bro! What kind of exhaust is on that bitch?
eBay straight pipe, 2.5 inches because I couldn't afford 3, but it sounds good.
So we're going shooting, and Soda brought us out to this place that we actually got the cops called on us last time. So we'll see how this goes. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, this road right here, we were shooting some rollers, and the lady, there's this clinic on this road, and the lady came out of there. She was like, I don't know, she was probably a nurse there or something like that, and she was saying that she was gonna call the cops on us because we were drag racing. And obviously we weren't, because we were going like stupid. So I'll put the video up. It's pretty funny.
What's going on?
You guys should not be drag racing around here.
We're not drag racing.
Okay, well, I'm gonna call the cops and let them
Go ahead.
what's going on.
You can tell them everything.
We'll show them the video.
Yeah?
Drag racing is fast and furious.
That's good.
All right. Hope you didn't waste your time coming out here. Let's go drag race now.
But like, no, like legit, she came out of that building and she's like, I'm calling the cops. Fucking call the cops. I don't give a shit. You think our girl's still in there?
Hopefully. Forgot to tell her how much of a Karen she is.
We gotta make sure we drag race on out of here.
Bro. I don't know if we can be in here, but I don't really give a shit. It's dope.
I mean, what are they gonna say?
Exactly. They're just gonna be like, oh, you guys can't be in there. Okay, cool, bye.
Yeah.
But I want to do the drone shot here. I have an idea
Yeah.
on how. It involves flying through shit or over shit, like that dirt map.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, we'll get nasty with it. So
Yeah, let's figure it out.
how does this look?
It looks really funny.
It looks stupid, right?
It looks really funny, yeah.
I got some good angles.
Fuck yeah.
We wanted to, and then have our cars like right there for one shot at least. It would be
Yeah.
dope if the sun was
A little lower.
yeah, a little set. It sets at 8,
Yeah.
but we'll be fine.
Gives us time.
Fuck, this would be such a good shoot for like off-road shit. All right, guys, rate which one you like better.
Fuck you, dude. Everyone's gonna say his. Everyone's gonna say his.
You know what I feel like when you don't pick your cars to shit because you really don't.
Yeah, 100%. Because Soda gets all the likes on Instagram and I get none of them.
It's your wheels. I'm telling you, bro, it's the wheels.
Bro, those wheels are sick.
But dude, I swapped my wheels. 100%. And
You're gonna tell me right now that's not just
that's
dope
when
as
I started
fuck.
getting likes.
Look at
Yo,
that.
also,
the
we
fat
still gotta do the
calipers.
video where we swap wheels
Yeah, we do.
and then go on and take pictures.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
My fucking likes will definitely drop. Stop trying to fly! Fuck! I gotta hold that bitch. I was like, dude, this thing is slipping. I wasn't trying to do that. But maybe we can park the cars like this
Yeah.
in front of the gate, and then I fly through one of the gates or under it, close them both, and then I fly between the cars,
Yeah, let's do it.
and then I'll get another reverse shot after that. But actually, reverse through the gates is probably better, but you can rewind.
Yeah,
So I'll
yeah.
fly through the gates, and then if you want to watch it back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get this right. I got you.
Ooh, it smells good too. Is that ethanol? I think it was ethanol for sure.
How to use this again? Just kidding.
Yeah, dude, that shit's fucking fire, dude. Look at that.
So,
Shit's fucking fire. That's hot. Fuck yeah.
I'm trying not to touch that thumbstick so hard right now. Oh fuck. Oh, I thought I was hitting the dirt man. Fuck, man. It's so hard to know where you're at.
All right, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. We got a bunch of cool shots here. I think I'm gonna roll cinematic and show you guys what we got. It's gonna be sweet.
want to get a POV shot with my hands.
Bro,
Magic.
like the drone literally shoots the POV. It's got a camera on it.
But I want to get a camera of me flying the drone. And then get a drone.
Is this a good video, guys?
What about this? Yes, sir. Bro, you gotta film everything. You gotta be like, yeah, I'm flying the drone now. But anyways, guys, we just flew the drone, and it looked dope. Like, I showed Irvin the shots, and he's fucking freaking out, bro.
Yeah, bro, they're
He's like,
fucking fire, dude. They're so
bro,
fucking
he about
fire.
pooped his pants.
Dude,
But anyways,
legit, I need to go home and change, man.
So we flew through the gate, and then we went through here between the cars, and I did a few panovers.
So it's getting all into POV shit now.
Yeah, so that's pretty dope. But
Let's get a POV fucking Instagram story.
let's finish this
There we
place
go.
up, get some shots, some photos, and skedaddle on out here until the next day. So, yeah. I love how I'm like, yeah, we're about to fly the drone through here before the sunset, and I'm trying to get back the footage.
You're literally gonna see the sun in a different spot. I'm gonna put that in my vlog too, so they'll see how much of a fucking fraud you are, Soda.
Bro,
The whole internet's gonna know
gotta do
that
what
all
you
of it was
do.
fake, dude.
you forget to film shit. That's the problem.
You're gonna have to go in and like cut the entire
That's a lot of
sky
work.
out of it and like
Yeah.
change it.
It's a lot of work for one man to do.
It's true.
Life is what you make it. I feel like I'm lazy. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit that I'm